Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to check a number is palindrome or not using Python code. First, we will see how to build the logic for the same, and then we will walk through the step-by-step code in Python. So let's get started. So we have an input number 121. So the expected output is yes. Yes, this number is a palindrome. So basically, what is a palindrome number? Let's say the number 121, if we reverse it, it becomes also 121. And if both these numbers are equal, then yes, it's a palindrome. In short, if the input number is equal to the reversed number, then it's a palindrome, else it's not a palindrome. So the key pointers which we need to remember in order to build the logic behind it, we have to get the last digit using the remainder operation. So in this case 121 remainder 10 is 1. So we will get each of the digits from backwards. Okay. Next is we will form the reverse number using reverse number into 10 plus digits. So initially in the first loop we will initialize the reverse number to 0, and then we'll each time multiply the reverse number into 10, and then we have to add the digit which we obtained in the previous step. The next step is to check into the for loop condition. So for loop condition is num greater than 0. It is nothing but this input num, but in each time of the loop we have to keep on updating this num. So how do we do that? Each time we will strip off one of the digits, the number will be updated to the remaining numbers. So 121, first time we will strip off 1, then it will be 12, then again we'll strip off 2, so num will be updated as 1, then we'll strip off 1, 0, and each time we are checking the condition. And so the for loop is num greater than 0. If it's satisfied, it will go on looping through this logic each time. So this logic is nothing but very much same as the reverse number. So if we have understood how to get a reverse number of an input number, then this is exactly the same logic. So there is another video also where I have explained in detail how to get the reverse number, which is getting flashed on the top of the screen. So you can go through that as well. So finally, once we get in all these steps, we get the reverse number. So in this case, input is 121, the reverse number is also 121. So now, if we check if this input number and the reverse number are matching, then yes, it's a palindrome, or else no, it's not a palindrome. Let's take another example. 3, 1, 4. Let's say this is the input number. So if we reverse it, the reverse number will be 413. So are these equal? No, it's not equal. So it's not a palindrome. Okay. So this is the approach behind solving this problem statement. So let's jump into the Python code and see how it goes. So first of all, we'll take the input number. Here it's 121 in the num. Then we will take a temp variable and store this number 121. So num will also be 121, and we will initialize reverse number as 0. So here we have num equals to 121. Temp is also equal to 121 because we have just stored this input number. The reason I'll explain in the subsequent steps. The reverse number, we will initialize it to 0. Now, this is the logic exactly same for the reversing a number. So, you must have gone through the other video which was flashed to get the reverse number. Still, I'll quickly walk you through the same the logic. So num will be, in this case, 121 greater than 0, which is true. So we will get the last digit using the remainder operation. So digit in this case is 1, and the reverse number is 0 into 10 plus 1, which is nothing but 1. Then num should be updated as 121 floor division 10, which is 12. So this 12 will be checked in the looping condition next time. So num greater than 0, which is nothing but currently 12, is greater than 0. Yes, it's true. So we will get the digit this time as 2, because 12 mod 10 is 2. Then the reverse number will become 1 into 10 plus 2, which is 12. And 12 floor division 10, the number will become 1 now. Again, we'll go into the loop. 1 greater than 0, yes, true. So this one, the digit will be 1, reverse number will become 121, and num will become how much? 1 floor division 10 equals to 0. So again, we'll check the condition. 0 greater than 0, no, it will exit the loop. Okay. So for, we have got this is the reverse number, and this is my input number. So, but this num, you see, it has got updated each time. So here currently num is equals to 0 currently. That is the reason why we had introduced this temp variable, because we are manipulating the num in this to check and iterate over all the digits. So to have the input number for this condition to be checked later on, if the input number is equal to the reverse number which we have obtained, so we have used this temp variable. That's the reason we have used this temp variable, so that later on we can compare, because num is already updated in this step every time. Now it is in 0 state. So temp, which is 121, equals to this reverse number is 121. Yes, it is true. So we will print yes, it's a palindrome. Had it been the case it's not matching, then we would have said no, it's not a palindrome. So it's a simple if else condition. Okay, if else condition, and we are printing the result. So this is how we will have to build the logic to check the palindrome number, which is nothing but comparing the input number which is reversed number. If it's matching, yes, it's a palindrome. So hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Happy learning and thank you.